Hey everybody, this is Molly. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and a person who just loves paper crafting of any kind. I want to share with you today some fun new things that I've got featuring some of the newest Stampin' Up! Stuff. If you don't know already, Stampin' Up! On January 3rd, I'm recording this a day or two ahead of time, is releasing some wonderful new collections and a new catalog for the occasions 2018, plus the celebration brochure. I'm relatively new to Stampin' Up, a little less than a year, but I have fallen in love with some of the things in here. This is incredible. For every $50 that you purchase from Stampin' Up in merchandise, not the shipping and handling and taxes, you would get to, so $50 in merchandise, you get to purchase, I'm getting a cat to try to go away. You purchase something, you can select something free from this catalog. If you spend $100, you get to buy two, you get two free things, not buy, you get two free selections, or one of the $100 items. They do this year, I think that's new, they have some $100 items, but they're like double stamp sets or die sets or just some really extravagant things that you're getting free with your purchase. So this is going on now. Well, one of the collections in there is called the, let me reach over here and find it, Sure Do Love You collection. And what the bundle is these dies, which I don't have all in place, but you can see there's a label and all, and then a box. If you can see on the back there, this one cuts the little box I'll show you, and then it comes, the bundle comes with these stamps. So what I've done is created some classes or kits that I put together that if you go to my blog, Crafting Memories with Molly at blogspot.com, Crafting Memories with Molly at blogspot.com, you would get to see the selections on the kits that you could purchase. Now what they are is you're paying just for the Stampin' Up! Items, and then I will send you all the free things. So the way I've got it broken down is if you click on one of those buttons, if you want the whole kit, I'll show you what that is. You click the button. I would order all the things, including the free things for you, pack them all up, and then ship them to you. Then, if you would like to order directly from Stampin' Up, if I get the order, you know, I can see what you've ordered, and I see that you've ordered these things, then that merchandise would come to you from Stampin' Up, directly to you, and then I would just need to send you the free things. Either way you want to do it. Sometimes the kits are just easier for you to do and let me worry about packing it up and getting it ready for you and all that stuff. Or you can order from Stampin' Up. That's good if you want to add some things, like if my kits aren't big enough for you and you want to add some things, collect up your free items that you can get or something. So here's what happens. So in the whole kit, now you know I'm a scrapbooker, so the whole kits are going to have scrapbooking layouts and card classes with them and gifts kind of things. And then you can buy just the card class and gift class, or you can buy just the scrapbooking class. So either way you want to do it, you've got some choices here. So let me start by showing you what this collection is based around. Here's the newest, one of the paper things. Let me see if I can peek around here so I can see what you're seeing. Yeah. One of the new collections, and it's Painted Love. Isn't that stunning? So it's just the most dramatic. It's got gold foils and see. So in this, what you'd see is you'd buy the paper pack and the dies and stamp bundle, one or two other little things, and then I would send you all the cutouts you need, you know, the title and everything that's not put together. You've got to put them all together, you know, and then all these things would come to you so that you could make this layout kit. Then you would get the kits. You'd have the dies, so then I would send you the things to make this box set and this little card that goes in it, perfect for a little gift card, if you can see that box. Now, something to bear in mind, part of the kit with the card class or with the whole kit, you're spending enough to get a free item, so I'm saying that the free item I'm going to select for you and put in the kit is this Amazing You die set. Not die set, excuse me, stamp set, and what it is this. So you would get this free because your purchase will be just a little over $50. And then I'll do the die cuts, which are another thing out of the aren't they fabulous, out of the celebration. That would be a little bit more. You're not getting the dies, you would just be getting the stamp set free. And that would allow you to create this. So that's just a beautiful thing. So far you've got the scrapbook layout and then this two-piece set. Now let me reach around and find the rest of the things. Then you would be getting the stuff to make this shaker card. It's got some of the little gold confetti in there, and then you can see where I've cut out, if I can get it to shake, some of the stamps and dies you would have are these little like candy, you know, Valentine candy things. and this pretty stamp here and all. So you get everything you need to make this shaker card, everything you need to make this card. Open it up. I love it. And it says, sure do love you. And then in size it says, I'm yours always. Isn't that sweet? Okay. And then the third card you'd be making is this one. Oh, I love it. Now these dies, I would be sending you pre-cut dies. And let me see if I can find, they're from a different stamp. I think it's called Sunshine Wishes. I mean, a die set. And so you'd be getting these squiggly hearts, you know, and then of course you can see I've got some sequins in there and things like that. So you'd be able to make this card. These stamps right here are from that free set that you'd be getting. Oh yes, here's the, I'm sorry. Here's the, what is it called? Let's see, Sunshine Wishes. Oh great. And if you can see, you can buy this from my store. I'd be glad for you to do it, but I'm going to be sending you this die cut. But you can see it's got a great flower, the word love. Let's see what it says. Love, hope, congrats, and sunshine. Pretty cute set. So I'm going to be adding a die cut in from there. And then last but certainly not least, I'm filming this on July 1st. I mean, not July 1st, January 1st. It killed me not to open this to celebrate with last night, but I just didn't have the video done. So I can guarantee you this will be harmed in the making of this video right afterwards, because it is January 1st that I'm recording this, so I'll be enjoying this. But anyway, I digress. You're going to be getting this tag kit, and if you can see, it features some of the new tinsel. I'm going to put in some of the little gold sequins for you, some pretty ribbons and things. And then, of course, you'll get all these things die cut. This you'll stamp just on white paper with your set and then cut it out. Okay, and I said last but not least, but it's actually the last thing you'd be getting free. I don't have the bag in there, but what this was built for is, you know, the little gusseted cellophane bags. Just drop some chocolate in there, or a cookie, or some candy bars, or whatever you want to drop in there. And you wrap this around that bag. So you'd be getting this. If you can see, it's, I don't know if you can see underneath there, it's scallop cut on the edge. It's got the little gold stitched oval. And then it's got these ribbons, this gold ribbon, and this rayon ribbon is from my stash to you kind of thing. And then let's see, I think I've got, yeah, so that's pretty. And then you'll make the little tag and all. So this is just a nice little extra to throw together. It makes a great teacher gift or friends at work gift, something to put on the desk, or just something to, you know, when you're going to visit your friend or whatever, just drop one of these over there. But it's meant to put a, you know, candy bag in or something, just enclose it in there. Okay, so you're getting all those things. So what would you be getting? If you hit the button on my blog and you order the whole kit or the card kit or the scrapping kit, I'm going to order the things from Stampin' Up, including the free set for you. But you can see what you'd be getting on there if you look. So you'll be getting like the whole kit is the designer papers and the bundle of the Stampin' die set and a few other things, some envelopes and stuff like that. And then card kit a little less, scrapbooking layout kit a little less. But I would be ordering those things, packaging them all up with this free things, putting in a little special gift, and then sending them to you. Or you can go to my store and order those item numbers and all, and add in whatever else you want, so you can get more free goods or start earning rewards. And then when I see you've ordered those through my store, then I'll send you the free things. So either way is great with me. I just want you to be happy. So what the things you get is, if like here's one of the card, you know, kits ready for you to go. Here's another one all packaged up and ready to go. Here's another one. I'm going to tell you, there's another one. Oh, this is the box set. You can see where I pre-cut the box for you and it's loaded in there. This is the tag set. I love this. I don't know why. I'm just into bottle tag sets. Okay, and then what is that? Oh, that's the shaker card kit. So you'd be getting a little bit of the gold foil stuff, and then the gold, the non-stamped hearts I'm cutting and sending you. You've got to stamp and cut your own hearts with your set. I can't do stamping for you. And then for the scrapbook kit, this is probably not going to pick up real easy, but you can see I try to do it where you're going to get all these pre-cut things. Like here's the title. Let me see if I can put it together. You know, so you'll layer the title up, you know, and glue it together and all, and, you know, put it together for your scrapbooking page and all. So, and you'll get all the pre-cut, you know, all the die cuts will be pre-cut and all, and then you'll get the mats cut. You will not get the paper because you're going to be using the papers that you bought for the background, but the mats and all the embellishments and trims and ribbons and stuff, then that you'll get free from me. That's true of the cards and the scrapbook layout kit. So, kind of digressed, went all over the place there and all. But I'm just really excited about these new things. Now, not having to do with my kits and classes, I just want to show you a couple of other things I made because I like them. Okay, this is the second layout that I did. A little more, where the first one is more feminine, kind of a script font and all. I did this second one. If you can see, I've used the cutout there. You were simply amazing. And then I did a more, I'm saying a more masculine looking title and all. And, you know, we talk about it looks like Valentine. I don't know about you, but like I said, I'm loving it 24/7 kind of thing. Just enjoy my family, enjoy my friends and all, my pets. So love you to me is all year long. Definitely if you're getting, you know, if you have a wedding in the family or a little one or something. But so anyway, here's my second kit that I did for me. If you're interested in the title, let me know. I'll see what I can do for you kind of thing. Okay, and then let's see, there's something else. Oh, one of the other things that if you buy over the $50 mark from Stampin' Up, now remember, if you hit my button and I order this stuff from you, the kit that I'm going to buy you free or get you free and include in your package is this one because I love it. And I think you would really enjoy it. It's a great kit for Valentine or whatever, or the You Are Simply Amazing. That's graduation, birthday, Father's Day, whatever. That flower is a great one to color. And that little sunburst right there, that's a great thing. Free. Okay. But one of the other free sets, which has gotten a lot of notoriety and airtime lately, is this Pandas. And it's in the Celebration catalog. So that's where if you want to go straight to Stampin' Up and order these things, and before you know it, you're maybe over $100 or something, well, then you could get a second free thing. I just wanted to show you this Panda Bear card I made. I just think that is so cute. You know, they come as individual, and there is no die, but it doesn't take a second to fussy cut those things out. And then it comes, you know, with the little confetti-looking things in there and all. So I love those little. They're just darling. I just really like them and all. So there's another card I made. Just enjoying playing with these things and all. Oh, and as a note for you paper scrapbookers, this is one of the collections that you can get 12 by 12 paper in. You can get this pretty pink, and I think it's Melon Mambo and Calypso Coral. You'll see when you go to the catalog. But you can get 12 by 12 paper. Yay! I love that and all. So I've rambled on a little bit. The moral to the story is, or the point, was if you go to my blog, Crafting Memories with Molly at blogspot.com, you can sign up for my newsletter or purchase these things straight through there. And once you sign up for my blog, or once you go to my blog, you can also sign up for my newsletters, and that's where then I could send you some things so you can kind of get an alert when these things break and all. Because some of the kits I can only make 3 of, or I can only make 7 of, or I can only make 10 of, or whatever. So you want to get notice when they break, kind of thing. If you're interested in more scrapbooking things or more titles for your scrapbooking pages that coordinate with this or something, just let me know. My email's on the site, you know, so please just reach out, comment on the video below or something, let me know. But I appreciate your time with this. I'm excited about the new things and all. And I said it in another video I did recently. Right after Christmas and before New Year's, my husband drove me to Houston. We live a couple hours away. And I got to get a bunch of IKEA furniture. And that sweet man spent the whole day putting it, not the whole day, he was pretty fast at it, but he put it all together for me now. But look at these cute little shelves. I haven't filled this one up yet, but I'm going to put, I think I'll put sprays and stuff in there. Anyway, perfect for my adjustable shelves. It's a DVD stand on. But my whole room's redone. I just took over the living room. We live in the den, so to heck with using the living room. So I'm going to be able to do a room tour soon, hopefully, once I get everything filled. You know, it's like TV. This part is neat. Do not look at this part. It's not neat. And also, anyway, y'all have fun. Hope you enjoy the new things. If you're interested in buying my kits, just go to my blog, click the link, or get my newsletter, and I'll send them to you. Click the links, and there you are. And then if you want to just go to my Stampin' Up store, of course, the link's on there, too. It's Crafting Memories with Molly at Stampin' Up. So either way, appreciate it more than you know. Just let me know what you think. I appreciate it. And share the video if you have some other crafty friends you think that might enjoy this and all. Okay, thank you for your time. Appreciate it. And here's to a happy, healthy, prosperous new year for all of us. Looking forward to it. Thank y'all so much for sharing. Bye-bye.